51% of the globe is buying on Amazon. And with so many people outside the US buying on Amazon, shopping on Amazon, and knowing how large Amazon is, they want to gravitate towards selling on Amazon. And I get DMs, emails, messages every single day asking, Josh, I live in this country, how can I sell on Amazon? Or I live in this country, should I sell in the country that I live in? So an overview of this, we go into this in great depth in the AMZ formula and with our clients that are overseas, but an overview of this is I always recommend selling in the US because it's the largest marketplace on Amazon, right? So if you live outside the US and you see that your country is listed for not being able to sell on Amazon, that's no problem, because guess what? I don't recommend you starting a company where you live for that very reason. So what we help our clients do and what we recommend is they start a business in the US and they actually create a Amazon US account, and we sell on the US marketplace. Now you can migrate to different countries if you are outside the country and you have a US business, or even if you are outside the country and you want to migrate to other areas, you can do that. But I always recommend that you start with the US marketplace. It has the most amount of users. It is the largest marketplace. So there's a few things that you want to do, and without going into too much depth, one of them being you want to create a virtual address. You want to use that address to create a bank account in the US. And once you do that, then you want to go through the process of starting an Amazon Seller Central account. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and that's what I recommend if you live outside the US and you want to take advantage of the best opportunity right now. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.